I keep telling you, we going up for 2019, and I'm handing out L's. YouTubers who hating, L. Anybody who watching but not liking and subscribing, L. Anybody who coming around just to gossip and be on some hoe shit, L. Anybody who bringing negative vibes in my direction, L. I keep telling these haters, man, I'm working, and I'm gonna continue to work, so work harder. But let me go, man. About to drop another banger on these niggas. You know how we do, man. It's time for a new year, new blessings, new life. Alright, man, I'ma holla. 1. Hit my theme music. We famous, bitch.
Nobody pray for me. It been a day for me. Yeah.
Yo, what is up, YouTube? It's your boy Shoemanati, aka Grown, back with another vid. Welcome back to the Shoemanati Show. Welcome back to a brand new episode. Welcome back to the first episode of 2019. Happy New Year's, everybody. Hope everybody out there is having a good day, having a blessed day. This is the first day of 2019. We're looking forward to positive vibes going into the new year. Hope everyone is having a good one. And I'm here today to give you guys the first sneaker unboxing of 2019. I'm hitting you guys with another banger, man. I'm back at it. I'm going hard for this year. And I hope you guys will all stay with me and join this journey as I climb my ranks up sneaker YouTube. I ain't giving up, man. I'm gonna just keep working harder, man. It's grown. You know how I get down. So before we do anything, please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the thumbs up on this video, click that like button, make sure you finesse that bell, that way you'll be reminded every time I drop a new video, because I'm dropping consistent content going all into 2019. If you're new here and it's your first time watching, welcome to the Shoemanati Show. If you're a regular and you always pull up, salute. Shout out to the whole Naughty gang and everybody who pulled up as soon as I dropped this video. Drop gang in the comment section, and of course shout out to the whole Illumination team, dark skin. With that being said, let's get into this first sneaker unboxing of 2019. This is a banger, guys. You know how we do, man. It's the Shoemanati Show. Lego. It's grown, bitch. You know the vibes, man. New sneaker pickup. Sneaker guys bless me with another one. Shout out to the plug, man. Hope everybody out there is having a good day, enjoying themselves. New year, man. What's your new year resolution? What are you looking forward to getting into? And what bad habits are you trying to break for the year? Definitely want to slow down on the sneaker pickups and travel a little more this year, man. I gotta get outside of Georgia a little more, start doing some other things, spend a little more time with the wife and doing some more intimate things. It's not all about sneakers. Of course, I'm gonna be copping kicks and reselling and doing my thing online, but I'm trying to have more fun in my personal life for the new year, man. So that's my New Year's resolution. I want to travel more. So let's open this up, man. Let me know how you feeling in that comment section. Make sure you finesse that notification bell, hit that thumbs up, man. Show some support to the channel. And what do we have here, ladies and gentlemen? Inside of this brown box, we have a Nike Air Jordan 1 box, man. But this ain't just no simple anything total GR Air Jordan 1. This is some flame right here. This is some limited heat. This was something I slipped up on for 2018, but the plug came through just in time to lace me to be able to hit you guys as the first video for 2019. So this is a Hype Beast limited unboxing. Most people do not have their hands on this, and they do not have this on their channel because this sneaker was just that limited. You had to be at the right place, right time to get your hands on this sneaker. So let's take it out of the box and let's see what it is. First and foremost, let's get rid of that because we don't give a damn about a box. And what do you guys think it is, man? I'm curious to know. What do you guys think it is? You probably will not be able to guess what this is because you just wouldn't expect me to have this. I honestly didn't think I was even gonna get this sneaker. It just happened to fall in my lap and the plug looked out. So I was like, fuck it, send it my way. Let's unbox it and let's check it out. So the official name of this sneaker is the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG NRG. The official colorway is Sail Black Varsity in Maize, and the suggested retail price is $160, man. This is the not for resale, no L's, yellow Air Jordan 1. Guys, this is one of the most hype beast sneaker pickups of 2018. As far as Air Jordan 1s, you know we got a slew of Air Jordan 1s for 2018, but this was probably maybe top 7 out of the Air Jordan 1s that dropped last year. I think it was like over 20 colorways. So let's pull these out the box and let's check these out, ladies and gentlemen. Like I said, was not expecting to get my hands on this sneaker, but the plug came through. Salute. And now I got to give you guys another banger. So let's take these both out of the box. Let's get them in hand and see what they look like. So let's do a quick overview of the sneaker. You have an Air Jordan 1 constructed of a tumbled leather upper. You have a white toe box with a black mud guard. You have a black swoosh with white paneling with hits of yellow and black and white around your ankle collar with your white Jumpman Wings logo. You have a black nylon tongue. This sneaker has black laces, and it also comes with an extra set of yellow laces. At the top of the tongue, you have a white patch in black lettering which says wear, and on the other sneaker it says me. You have a yellow outsole with a white midsole on your white midsole towards the back of the heel. You have not for resale. On the back of the sneaker, you have a black paneling. On one sneaker it says no, and on the other sneaker it says photos. On the inside of the sneaker, you have a black footbed with a black sock liner, and you have no in one sneaker and L's in the other sneaker. And the inside of the collar of the sneaker, one sneaker says general release and the other one says no, this is not a numbered pair. This is actually Nike taking shots at the trolls in the sneaker lingo in the sneaker community, but overall this is a solid quality Air Jordan 1. This is very limited. It's sold out immediately, and if you was able to get your hands on this sneaker, you have a crown jewel, which is really a troll from Nike. I don't know if this was Jordan Brand trying to be creative or if they were just trolling. Not for resale, general release, wear me, crease me. Like, this is just weird and very hype beast-ish. But overall, this is the not for resale Air Jordan 1s, no L's. You got crease me on the top of the tongue. You got your black nylon tongue. The leather quality on this sneaker is amazing. Like, one of the best quality Air Jordan 1s I've probably seen in a while. This gives me the shattered backboard feel. Like, if I'm honest, no cap, yo. This definitely is shattered backboard quality. On the inside it says, sorry, this is not a numbered pair, general release. This is just poking fun at resellers and some of the sneaker lingo that's in the sneaker culture that hype beasts are into, but the leather quality is super dope. This pair was super limited. This size on StockX right now is over $950, so like hype beast was really serious about these. This was very limited. You got no photos on the back. This is just crazy. This is something I personally wouldn't wear because it's too hype beastish, but the simple fact that these actually exist just shows where the sneaker culture has taken it from 2013 when I first really got my feet wet to where it is now in 2019. Like, sneaker culture is just crazy now, yo. It's so mainstream and it's everywhere, yo. But this is a dope pair of sneakers. Quality's nice, craftsmanship pretty good, ain't no glue marks. It's a simple Air Jordan 1, but it's hyped. It got that writing all over it. It's kind of like it's mimicking Off-White, but not really. Like, this is a crazy sneaker. But I'm curious to know, what do you guys think about this sneaker? Do you like it? Do you hate it? Did you try to cop this? Did you pass on this? I know this sneaker was very limited. I know it dropped a couple different websites online during its initial release. I struck out on everything and kind of was just like whatever, but they happened to fall in my hands, so I wanted to give you guys an unboxing and start off 2019 with a bang. So stay tuned, look forward to more bangers. Let me know in the comment section down below, what do you think about these? Is this something you can rock with, or would you just want to resell these, or could you see yourself wearing these on foot? This is just straight hype beast. Don't come near me with your Supreme box logo hoodie looking ass on.
Bitch, what?
This is just some straight wow shit. But overall, I think it's a dope sneaker. Smells so good, man, and the quality is dope on these. So as much as I want to hate on them, I can't. And this was the not for resale Air Jordan 1s, aka the no L's. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the thumbs up on this video, click that like button. Make sure you follow me on all my social medias, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Snapchat. Follow me, I will follow back. Salute to everyone who took time out of their day to just rock with me during this new year and watch the video. Hit that thumbs up. Have a good day, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. illuminate. So you know how we do about this time. It's grown and I approve this message. Intangible entertainment. We famous, bitch. It's grown. I'm gone. Intangible entertainment. We famous, bitch.